the first time, I would like to pay my respect for the past gratitude for the triple champ and pay my respect to the boss teacher Sokhen. And good morning everyone. Today I'm going to show you about good relationship. But before I information good relationship, I information myself. Hello everyone. My name is Nakdaro. I am 20 years old. I live here in Cambodia. I study at Buddhist High School. I come from Cambodia province. Today I'm going to show you about good relationship. A good relationship means different things to different people or rely on each person. But they can live happily or don't or fight each other. And then we will take the five important elements to show you all of you. Firstly, good relationship come from loving and caring for them. In that, love comes from caring for family, caring from a parent, wife or friend, relative, neighbors, colleagues, and loved one. For example, if we want to have good relationship with my family, with our family, and with our parent, friend, we need to secret love care for them. Or if we want to have a relationship with everyone and loved one, we need great loving and care for them. At that time, our relationship with each other or with each other around will better. On the other hand, love has a profound effect on good relationship. Don't betray each other and only think on touching with each other. So that I want to tell you that if we want to make good relationship, we can say a good thing, tell to you everyone, and tell information a good time and make loving and caring and happening and happy everyone, and everyone will have happiness. Next point is vulnerable social to tell you.
Talk with me.
Hello teacher. Yeah. Hello everyone. I am 20 old. I'm going here to show all of you about good relationship. It's called honest.
Let's get it. Every human being must learn to be honest. Honesty means truth. If a person wants to be honest, all of you must learn to speak the truth in life. Moreover, by being honest, a person will develop a strong moral character, learn good behavior, maintain discipline, follow the ritualism, follow the rule and ritualism, and will always punctual. People have learned the phrase, honest is the best policy.
My point is so about happy. When you talk about happy, we usually think of is giving to material things or destination. But there's a lot of ways to happy. But these a lot of ways to helping other than who spending money. Every one of us we can offer to other to offer in be your time, your knowledge, and your ability to make great some good job. All of these can go away in people living a lot of less hard. And just imagine how it's different the world would to be of us and straight to another one. This point is vulnerable Jumbula.
Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Today for us, my turn is talking about respect. Respect is so important for respect is so important for relationship. The people cannot live with other if it does not respect the other. Respect also coexistence. Respect also coexistence is a personal feeling or action shown toward someone or something considered important or held in high esteem. Or high esteem or rigor. It conveys a sense of admiration for group or valuable for team. For example, students must respect to teachers. Children have to respect to their parents and respect to all of different. And this point is very tough.
Finally,
I want to say about responsibility. Responsibility. In a relationship, we have much responsibility. Because responsibility is important elements of good relationship. In family, in class, we have two responsibility. Response person know how to pass complete, how to finish work, how to live, how to do something, and respond to myself, my action self, my self action, my self speak, my self speak. If we say what, we must do what, we must grow those what we say. This is response. Response is good for relationship. Our goal relationship made from loving, honesty, helping each other, and respect each other, and finally honesty, responsibility. This is the 5 elements of good relationship. Good relationship is good for living, good for family. In family, in the world, have good relationship. Good relationship make the world live happily. Yes, thank you. Thank you so much for.
Yes, I want to ask you one question. That you had spoken about relationship. So I want to know how can we make relationship with everyone but we have nothing. That I have to know about the society. I see if we have nothing in living, we difficult for making a relationship with each other in the world or in the country.
We study about relationship. Now we say about important element of relationship. Have no money, God's loving is no money. Honesty is no money. Honesty of myself, my mind. Honesty, loving is my mind. Happy is by anyway. Very that you do. Have anyone. Do myself. And respect, have no money too. And responsibility, no. Yes, to itself. The 5 elements of good relationship have no money all. If you know anything, you can make good relationship too.
I have one question. I want to explain my question. What happens when you have a good relationship in your life, like a happy life or bad life? I want you explain me. What's happen when you have a good relationship in your life, like a happy life or bad life?
Relationship is good life. Short answer. Relationships make my life and our lives good, and success in my work, success in my study, success in the work. One thing, one question. One thing, one question. You did prepare.
One team, one person.
I don't know what to do.
Yung may protect lang.
Our classmate this for me and our classmate. I do think that my classmate don't know English before. Our classmate know a little English.
Yeah, yeah. If you,
What is good relationship?
I speak Khmer, but not now. I will speak Khmer, but not now. Okay. After question. Yes. Yeah.
How do we keep in touch for a long time? For a long time.
What time? Yes. It's only 5 elements. 2. Only 5 elements. 2. We study about 5 elements again. Yeah? If you have 5 elements, you can keep good relationship forever. You know? You know? Do you understand? You want to keep good relationship a long time, you know? Yes? Yeah. If you want to keep good relationship a long time, you have to 5 elements of good relationship that we say before. You know? Understand?
From saying here. Okay.
Yes.
I want to have a question. What is the most important thing of life in relation? What is the most important thing of life in relation?
Important thing in
Important thing of your life in relation.
relation. Okay.
Relation is relation with yeah. Relation live is important. So it's make we good and makes me happy, make me to do something with. For example, if we have good relation, we can happy in the exam, you know, exam. And the exam, in the exam we helping each other. If we have relation, you know, if have my life good relation make my life good. Each other too. Understand? If you question or after, if you understand.
If you don't understand, I'm alright. Okay, cho bà con tới số trong rồi.